Buying iCloud storage with Apple gift card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy iCloud storage with Apple gift card. So for that, you have to redeem the Apple gift card into your Apple account. In order to do that, you have to go to the App Store, and in the App Store, you will click on your profile. After clicking on profile, you will see this option that says redeem gift card or code. Click on this option and you will be redirected to the next screen. In the next screen, you will see an option that says use camera, or you can also enter your code manually. Use camera if you want to, then you have to scan your card through the camera and all the details will be added automatically. And if you want to enter the code manually, you just have to enter the code that is available on your card, and by adding it you will be able to redeem it. So the next option is, now you will go to your iCloud, and in the iCloud you will see an option that says manage. Now click on this option and you will manage your storage, and now you will click on change storage plan. After clicking on that, you will select the plan you want to, and that's how you will be able to do this process, and you can use Apple gift card to buy iCloud storage. Thank you so much.